Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Sally Casper. I'm sorry I did not publish any painting the last few days because I was kind of busy. But the painting that I did, it's already done. So I'm gonna show it to you. I call this water wheel meal. I call this painting that. It's kind of simple, and of course I have we call this water mill, a water mill wheel. And there's a little house here, the bridge, and of course a tree. It's kind of more on summer, but that's what I did. We also have a big one, huge one, like 3 feet by 5 feet, a huge one. This huge, big one. But then I make a smaller one, a 12 by 16. This is oil on canvas. See, it's brand new. And it's like what I did here. I have, how many colors I have? I have blue, white, brown, a little bit of red here and there. And of course the water is kind of like a little bit blue. And then I put some black paint for three-dimensional. So it's kind of simple and it's not too expensive. It's 12 by 16. You can have this for $150. So if you're interested, send me a message or give me a comment, and hopefully a thumbs up from you guys. I will appreciate it, okay? And if you have any suggestions what you want me to paint next time, I'll do that too. So 12 by 16 oil on canvas for $150, okay? Because this is simple one. More detailed one is a little bit more expensive, but simple one is not too expensive. So give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email. Here I'm gonna show on the back of this, so I'm gonna show it's real painting oil on canvas. I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a like, please.